Hey, I'm Ash Oliver, UX research advocate at Maze. Let me ask you something. As someone working in product today, how do you ensure that the decisions you make drive success?
Exposure to customers drives a lot of understanding, which facilitates faster decision making across the business and also builds empathy for customers. So the way that you differentiate is through building the right thing for the right person.
Whether it's a new product direction to explore or design solutions to test, a strategic research initiative, or features to prioritize, decisions are everywhere.
Products are always better built in collaboration, not in a silo. You need different perspectives, different lived experiences from folks intersectionally to be able to weave that into the process.
Research helps you get a better peek into what else is happening and what's going on in people's minds and help you just make informed decisions.
Learning looks different depending on the stage of company that you are. At each stage, there are ways in which that feedback doesn't just drift, but it's brought in and used to be able to make a change that's going to add more value.
So how can you make the most optimal decisions among so much rapid change and uncertainty? Welcome to The Optimal Path, a podcast all about user research and product decision-making brought to you by Maze. If you work in product, you may be familiar with the optimal path, or the intended flow in which a user accomplishes their task or goal. But there are optimal paths to many of the decisions we make, from tactical and operational to strategic company decisions that impact how we work, why we build what we build, and how we deliver customer value. In this podcast, you'll hear from research and design leaders, subject matter experts, and individual contributors where they share the approaches, learnings, and stories behind the ways research informs stronger decision-making. You can subscribe to The Optimal Path wherever you get your podcasts or visit maze.co/podcast to learn more.